Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a look using the new ColourPop Grandeur palette. They did come out with 3 different palettes in this collection. This is the one that I chose to get. They had a warm tone one and a cool tone one, and this is the neutral toned one. I wanted to push myself out of like my comfort zone and do something a little different for you guys. Thought this was a good place to go. The cool tone one was just a little too much for me, a little too much out of my comfort zone, but this, I could flex with this. So I think this is a beautiful look that you could do for like any sort of like holiday event that we have coming up, if they're even going to something for the holidays. So if you want to see how I got this look with this adorable palette, I love the packaging on this. I mean, it's beautiful. Go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyes with my P. Louise Acid Rain Blank Canvas Primer. And then just taking that all over my lid. Taking my Morphe M504 brush, I'm going to start off by going in with Velvet. I'm going to take this and use it as my transition shade and start building up this area. Taking in Morphe M433 brush, I'm going to mix Mauve and Dusk. This is Mauve, this is Dusk. And on one side of the brush, I'm going to take it and start tapping it onto the outer half of my lid and then building it up and into the crease. And take it a little bit higher into the crease here. And then start going in with back and forth motions. Trying to elongate and build it out this way. Now taking this M506 brush, I'm going to go in the color Jolie, and I'm going to start tapping this into the outer V socket. When I say socket, like the very outside, you can see I'm kind of tucking it in where the end of my eyeball is. And I'm just deepening up that area, and then little circular motions and buffing it out. Now going back into my P. Louise Blank Canvas, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M170-4, and I'm going to cut my crease with this. And while it's still very tacky, I'm going to go in with the color Lavish. I'm a little nervous about this because this is out of my comfort zone. I'm gonna take this onto the inner corner area, or like the inner third. I'm gonna go into the color Need. It's kind of like got this greenish blue shift to it. And I'm gonna take this right onto the center. And then kind of blend it into the outer area. Next, I'm gonna line my eyes with my Kaja liquid liner. Now going in with this color here called Monaco on my M326 brush. I'm gonna take this on top of that liner. Kind of like how this has like a blue kind of shift to it with that glitter. I think it'll look really cool on top of the liner. Now I'm gonna go in with Excess on my Morphe M250-S. And I'm going to take this right on top of the liner for a fun but unique glitter accent. Okay, now I need to clean up this under eye area. I'm gonna just take some makeup remover here and put it on a kabuki, like a little kabuki brush. I'm gonna dab off the excess, and then I'm gonna go under and swoop and clean this up. Gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my face makeup, and I will be right back. Okay, now the rest of my face is on, so now I want to move on to my lower lash line. I'm gonna grab my Morphe M431, and I'm gonna take a mixture of Dusk and Mauve, and I'm just gonna start buffing this onto the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take this JH37, and I'm just gonna tap it into Velvet, and I'm going to just work that onto the lower lash line. Now I'm gonna take this M149 brush, and I'm going to grab the color House. And I'm going to use this as my inner corner highlight. And then I'm just gonna take a little right here at the top of my brow bone, the high point. It's a little more gold than what I normally do right there, but it will do. Now I'm gonna take my Nabla Cosmetics Major Pleasure Mascara and apply this. I'm just gonna apply my false lashes. These are my 3D Ardell Foamink 858s. I love whenever I have like a smoky look like this when I do like a brighter, bolder lip. So I just got this new one from DODO Colors. It's in the color Talk is Sheet. It's a liquid matte. I'm gonna take my Morphe lip liner in the color Huva. Okay, so that is it for my look using the ColourPop Grandeur palette. They came out with 3 different palettes in this collection. I only got one, and this is the one I chose. There was a more warm tone one, and then there was one that was super cool tone. This is more neutral toned, and I chose this one because I thought it would push me a little more out of my comfort zone. I wanted to do something different than what I normally tend to gravitate towards. So I think this turned out to be a really, really pretty look for any kind of like holiday event. If you have anything to go to, maybe you just want to dress up and have dinner at home. I don't know. I think these little palettes from ColourPop are so fun, and you can add a lot to your collection by getting these for a really good price point. And I mean, the packaging on this one I just think is so beautiful. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Leave any comments, requests, questions, anything down below. I love to talk to you guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my videos if you want to see more, and hit that notification bell right there if you want to see more content from me. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.